Hi, I'm Allie. Welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're making a chimney roasted chicken and cabbage. This is a set it and forget it, a one-pan dinner with 3 ingredients: melty cabbage, crispy herby chicken, done in an hour. If this recipe sounds like something you'd like to make, subscribe to see all of our cooking tips and tricks videos. Let's get started. All you need for this is a good heavy-bottomed cast iron skillet, a whole chicken, a half a head of cabbage, and our chimichurri. I want to talk about chicken a little bit. Sometimes people get nervous about roasting a whole chicken. They think you have to truss it. They think you have to massage it. None of that is true. What you do need to do is temper it. So you want it to be close to room temperature by the time that you put it in the pan. And it's kind of perfect because you also want your oven to be fully preheated. And so the time it takes for your oven to preheat is about the time it takes for your chicken to temper. So you're right on time. We're gonna cut our cabbage into planks and kind of fit them into the cast iron, leaving a little bit of a hole in the middle where we're gonna kind of put the chicken into the middle, cover the whole thing with chimichurri, a little salt, throw her in the oven, and she'll cook for about an hour. So to make the planks out of the cabbage, basically we're just going to use half of the cabbage, cut down here to just create a flat surface and get rid of that core, see where the line is, and then we'll put that away, and then basically put it flat and cut into even planks. Now we have the planks of the cabbage and we're just going to lay them kind of going around, trying to fill the pan kind of like that, leaving again a space in the middle to put the chicken. We're going to lay our chicken in the middle, kind of nestle it in, kind of naturally keeps it together. When you buy chicken, think about 1/2 pound to 1 pound per person. So if you have 4 people, that's about a 2–2.5 pound chicken. Again, you want it to be dried, so we're going to pat it dry, salt it a little bit, and then just cover the whole thing with about 1/2 pouch of our chimichurri. The chimichurri is packed with herbs and olive oil, some capers, a little bit of chili flakes, so you don't have to do the seasoning. We've done it all for you. My personal cooking style is that I use my hands a lot, whether I'm like making guacamole or I'm rubbing down a chicken with chimichurri. Obviously my hands are super clean, but you can definitely avoid that if you want by using a pastry brush or the back of a spoon. To me, hands are the best tools, so I use them a lot. All right, that's about 1/2 pouch. And we want to basically just like massage everything, the cabbage, the chicken. We're going to add a little bit of salt just to help break everything down even further, add a little bit more flavor, give my hands a good wash, and then put it in the oven. There we go. All right, gorgeous chicken. So there you have it, a chimichurri roasted chicken and cabbage, 1-pot meal in under an hour. Super easy, set it and forget it. If you wanted to, you could add in a couple of baby potatoes maybe in here, or you can just serve it over rice or couscous with a side salad, glass of wine. Enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like and subscribe to see our new videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thank you so much for watching, and cook happy.